everyone, today I will draw a toothpaste, teeth and brush. So let's start drawing. First I will draw the toothpaste. Second I will draw the teeth. And now I draw his eyes. Look, he is very angry. And third I will draw the brush. And now I will draw the beautiful designs. And now I will make a thicker outline to make his shape more beautiful. So let's get ready quickly. Look, it's ready. And now it's time to color it. Dark pink color. And now sky blue color. Orange color. And now the turn teeth. Sky blue color. Light green color. Red color. Yellow color. And look, now it's ready. And now I will draw the dots, stars and beautiful designing. This looks very beautiful. If you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye everyone. Hello everyone, today I will draw a truck. So let's start drawing. First I will draw the front. And now I draw the window. And now I will draw the two wheels. Now I will make a thicker outline to make his shape more beautiful. So let's draw. So let's get ready quickly. And now it's time to color it. First I fill the blue color. Now I fill yellow color. Light yellow color. Dark pink color. Light green color. And now sky blue color. Bye bye everyone. See you in my next video. Hello everyone. Today I will draw bride and groom. So let's start drawing. First I will draw the bride. I will make her beautiful dress. And now I will draw her hair and make her a beautiful flower. Now it's the groom's turn. Now I will draw the groom. First I will draw its face. Now I will draw his clothes. Now I will make a beautiful flower in her hands. Now I will make a thicker outline to make his shape more beautiful. So let's draw. So let's get ready quickly. it's time to color it. Light pink color, yellow color, and now orange color. Now it's turned light green color. Red color, orange color,